Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows search bar not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So, at first, what you can do is just go to search and search for Task Manager. From the best matches, just open up Task Manager. Then just expand this section, click on the hamburger menu and go to Processes. And after that, just search for Windows Explorer over here. After you do find it, just select it and click on Restart Task from over here. This is gonna restart Windows Explorer for you. And after you have done that, just go to the hamburger menu again, then just go to Details. From here, just search for Search Host. Just search for it and you'll find this. Just right click on it and click on End Task. This is gonna end searchhost.exe, and if you give it some time, it's gonna restart for you. Then just close this. And after that, if you go ahead and try to use your search, it should work. But if it doesn't work, what you have to do is just right click on your start, then just click on run. And after that, in here, just type control and click on OK. It's gonna open your control panel. From here, make sure view by is set to large icons. Then go to indexing options. Click on it. Then just go to advanced. And from here, just click on delete and rebuild index. This is gonna rebuild all your file index and make sure your search works again. Just click on it and give it some time, it's gonna fix it for you. And after you have done that, if it's still not fixed, there's one more way that you can follow. So for that, just right click on start again and then just click on run. Then just type services.msc and click on OK. From here, just search for Windows Search. And after you find it, just right click on it and click on Properties. Then just make sure Startup's type is set to automatic delayed or automatic. And click on Apply, click on OK. And after that, just right click on it and click on Restart. Then just close this. After that, try to user search and it should work. But if it's still not working, try to use another Microsoft account, create a new account, and try to use that, and it should work. And basically, that is how to fix your Windows search bar not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.